Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you tired of dull, scratched paint ruining your ride shine? Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tools to keep your car looking showroom ready. Today, we're diving into the world of detailing, featuring the ultimate secret weapon, the best car buffer polisher. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a pro detailer, this incredible tool is your ticket to a flawless finish. Stay tuned as we review the top features, reveal exclusive discounts, and show you how to achieve a dazzling shine that'll turn heads everywhere you go. Let's get polishing. Number 5. AVID Power Buffer Polisher, your go-to solution for achieving a showroom shine on your vehicle. This 6-inch dual-action polisher excels in polishing, removing swirls and defects from all painted surfaces, ensuring your car looks its absolute best. With a variable 6-speed control, you can easily adjust the speed from 1500 to 6800 RPM, allowing you to tackle any task, from waxing to removing stubborn paint defects effortlessly. Designed for comfort, the ergonomically shaped handle and rubberized body provide a slip-free grip, making it a breeze to use. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this polisher delivers exceptional results with its dual-action random orbital motion, ensuring a swirl-free finish every time. The complete kit includes everything you need: 3 polishing pads, a detachable D-handle, and more, making it suitable for a variety of applications, including wood and metal polishing. Choose the AVID Power Buffer Polisher for the best car detailing experience and watch your vehicle shine like new. Number 4. LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher, a top contender for the title of Best Car Buffer Polisher. This powerful 1600W motor operates at 110 V, ensuring high efficiency and durability to tackle any polishing task with ease. Featuring a versatile design, it offers 7 variable speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, making it adaptable for different materials and applications, whether you're sanding, polishing, or waxing your car or boat. The LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher boasts a compact size of just 15.7 inches by 3.5 inches by 3.1 inches and weighs only 4.57 pounds, enhancing portability without sacrificing performance. Its ergonomic design allows for 3-use methods, whether you prefer using it directly or with the detachable side handles for added comfort and control. Plus, it comes with 7 types of pads, including wool and orange for grinding, yellow and red for polishing, and green and blue for restoring surfaces, to suit all your needs. With the LDHTHOPI Buffer Polisher, achieving that showroom shine has never been easier. Number 3. GEVEELIFE Buffer Polisher. Experience the ultimate in car detailing with the GEVEELIFE 6-inch/7-inch 1600W Rotary Car Buffer Polisher. This powerful tool features a robust 1600W motor that ensures exceptional durability and performance, making it perfect for both professionals and beginners. With 7 variable speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, you can easily adjust the settings to tackle any job, from gentle waxing to aggressive paint correction. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, its ergonomic design and detachable handles provide comfort and control, making extended use effortless. Plus, included sandpapers, foam pads, and wool polishing discs make it versatile for achieving a flawless finish on cars, boats, and even furniture. Say goodbye to swirls, scratches, and oxidation as you harness the precision of the GEVEELIFE Buffer Polisher, the best car buffer polisher for every detailing task. Elevate your polishing game and get professional results with ease. Number 2. SPTA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, the ultimate tool for achieving professional-level finishes at home. This innovative polisher boasts a cordless, portable design that allows you to maneuver freely without the hassle of wires. With its powerful brushless motor and adjustable speeds ranging from 2500 to 5000 RPM, you can easily tackle various tasks, from applying waxes to sealants and glazes. The large 5-inch and 6 backing plates, combined with a 2000 mAh lithium battery, ensure long-lasting use and efficiency, making your car polishing experience both effective and cost-saving. Weighing in as a lightweight option, this polisher is perfect for beginners looking to enhance the look of their vehicle. The complete kit includes everything you need, from multiple foam and microfiber pads to essential accessories. Elevate your car care routine with the best car buffer polisher, SPTA, where effortless polishing meets remarkable results. Number 1. Porter Cable Car Polisher and Buffer, the ultimate choice for those seeking the best car buffer polisher. Equipped with a robust 4.5 amp motor, this tool delivers impressive performance, operating exclusively with AC power for consistent use. The electronic variable speed dial allows you to effortlessly adjust the speed from 500 to 800 OPM, ensuring you can tackle a variety of tasks with ease. Its unique random orbit and swirl-free sanding and polishing action guarantee a flawless finish, making your car shine like new. Plus, with the included 5-inch proprietary counterbalance, you'll achieve optimal results with any 6-inch sanding or polishing pad. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend DIY enthusiast, the Porter Cable 7424XP is your go-to solution for achieving that showroom shine. Upgrade your detailing game today. In conclusion, a quality car buffer polisher can transform your vehicle's appearance, making it look brand new. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to maintain your ride, investing in the right polisher is essential. Remember to choose one that suits your needs and skill level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Happy polishing!